This is breaking news.
Maher dredges up 2018 Stormy Daniels interview that totally undermines her Trump trial testimony. Comedian Bill Maher is seeing through the stormy weather surrounding former President Donald Trump's hush money trial in Manhattan. Maher dredged up an old interview porn star Stormy Daniels gave to him back in 2018, which raises questions about the credibility of her testimony on the witness stand. "She's a bad witness," Maher declared during Friday night's episode of Real Time, after joking, "It's Stormy or bust." The comic and political pundit played a clip from the 2018 interview in which Daniels was emphatic that her alleged July 2006 hanky-panky with Trump was consensual and not to be construed as part of the Me Too movement that was in full swing at the time. "You say it's not a Me Too case," Maher pressed Daniels at the time. "It's not a Me Too case," Daniels replied. "I wasn't assaulted. I wasn't attacked or raped or coerced or blackmailed. They tried to shove me in the Me Too box to further their own agenda. And first of all, I didn't want to be part of that because it's not the truth and I'm not a victim in that regard." But in the new segment, Maher assessed, that's not what she's saying now. He cited Daniels that time's salacious and graphic description of her foreplay with the future president during her recent testimony, in which she described a power imbalance with the billionaire. Daniels claimed that Trump was bigger and blocking the way, that at the end of it, saying, "My hands were shaking so hard, and I just wanted to leave." She also claimed that she blacked out during the encounter. Throughout parts of Daniels' testimony, Trump appeared livid, shaking his head and cursing audibly, according to reporters in the room. He denies having an affair with Daniels and said he paid hush money to her to protect his family. Back when Daniels first came forward with her allegations against Trump, she mocked his sexual prowess and claimed that an unidentified man confronted her after a fitness class in 2011. Daniels said she felt threatened and pressured to sign a non-disclosure agreement, which she did, before fighting to break out of it during Trump's presidency. Maher contended that Daniels' testimony now has deviated from her original iteration of the alleged encounter. She's talking about he was bigger and blocking the way. "It's all the Me Too buzzwords," she said. "There was an imbalance of power for sure. My hands were shaking so hard." She said she blacked out. "Blacked out? She's a porn star," Maher exclaimed. "Do you really think she blacked out? A porn star is used to having sex with people she doesn't like," he went on. "I just think she's not a good witness." Daniels' former lawyer Michael Avenatti, who is now behind bars and had a falling out with her, accused his client of not being forthcoming with the truth and alleged that she extorted Trump in October 2016. Maher has long been an ardent Trump critic, though earlier this month on his Club Random podcast, in which he typically drinks and smokes weed during candid conversations, Maher vowed that he won't go ing nuts again if Trump wins. Recently, Maher lashed out at Attorney General Merrick Garland, accusing him of slow-walking the spate of Justice Department inquiries into the former president and thereby giving him a window to win again. He also previously sounded optimistic that the hush money trial could be Trump's undoing. "This one, I got to say I was always against it because I thought of all the ones you're bringing. This is the least serious," Maher said on his show 2 weeks ago. "Now I think Trump could lose." Trump is facing a 34-count indictment for allegedly falsifying business records to conceal alleged hush money payments, including to Daniels, to kill negative stories about him during the 2016 election. The former president has vehemently denied wrongdoing and pleaded not guilty, as he has done with all 88 criminal counts against him, spanning 4 indictments.